Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a quick and easy way to add serial numbers in Excel. This method is super efficient and perfect for large data sheet. If you write serial numbers manually and in case you want to delete any row, the serial number will not get updated. Select the range and type Ctrl T from your keyboard. You will find a dialog box here. The values are automatically updated and click on OK. This will turn into a table form. Now click on the first cell, type equal to row, open bracket, close bracket, minus 3. This 3 is the cell that is seen above the first cell where we are applying the formula. After we apply the formula, press enter. You will see that the Excel automatically updated the serial numbers for you. If you add or delete any item or rows, the serial number will be automatically adjusted. For example, if we want to delete row number 13, the next row will automatically become 13. The row numbers wouldn't get disturbed. If you found this video useful and informative, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.